finalists in the Women's World Cup Belgrade, and they make it a double. Alina Nia facing off against Mirin Zuzmanazarova of Kyrgyzstan. Off with the 2019 World Silver Medalist Zuzmana Zarova, losing out to Japan's Narua Matsuyuki in Nur Sultan. Now, a gold medal match at 68 kilograms on offer here, making sure that Kyrgyzstan have their full challenge capabilities. Soft, fluffy cube, or not. So Makia Nia of Ukraine taking on Zuzmana Zarova of Kyrgyzstan for place in the 68 kilogram gold medal match. Quick shoot for the legs. Zuzmana Zarova in blue. In the quarterfinals, both women here pinning their way to the semi-final. Zuzmana Zarova managing to fell Hanna Sachanka, Belarus. Call for aggression. Seeming to feel their way through this semi-final. This opening minute and a half. Grabbing the leg. It's Teresina Nia on top. And no scoring managed by either woman. She shoots to the leg. So Ukrainian opponent faces passivity penalty. It's certain that Zuzmana Zarova is not waiting around for points. She manages to take two, but can she add to her early? Feeling her way to try and add to the 2 points gained. Unable to, but a strong start for the two-time Asian champion. Teresina Nia trying to take control. She may take a point for out of bounds. And happy to at least half the deficit. Well, it's a brilliant end to the round. The points racking up, although superb recovery. Teresina could have been a lot worse. Now she has to try and score with a 5-point deficit against her. So quick from Zuzmana Zarova. Lightning fast. But it's at the very last second. The 2 is given to Teresina Nia. And that vital in the final reckoning. Zuzana Zarova, silver medalist, Nur Sultan, leads by 3 points. But Ukrainian giving herself some hope. 1 point throughout the bounce and that late 2-pointer. Zuzana Zarova certainly had her in a spin. Keeping her composure to keep in touch. The speed at which Zuzana Zarova identifies the left leg, hits it again with fury. Has Berezina on her feet. Berezina trying to wriggle free. Kyrgyzstani not ready to let her go. Berezina looking for a route out. And as the referee's whistle gives her break on the grasp of Zuzana Zarova. Once again, Zuzana Zarova loving the shot for the left leg. In the second round she's failed to hit the scoring trail. She did in the first. There's certainly no subtlety about Zuzana Zarova's attacks, but it's been working so far. Berezina hasn't discovered a way to counter it. She's at least stopping her opponent from scoring, but she is still in need of points. Trying to wriggle free for a reversal. The sisters split with the lack of activity on the mat. Not for the first time, Berezina picking up a point or out of bounds. Drives herself towards 2-point deficit. She's got Zuzana Zarova where she wants her, but needs to find the scoring touch. Wriggling and trying to pry open Kyrgyzstani's defense. 35 seconds on the clock left. And it is a huge 2 points for Berezina. But it's still the Kyrgyzstani in the lead. Criterium favouring the world silver medalist. And now 14 seconds on the clock for the Ukrainian to save her medal dreams. Place in the final, guaranteeing a silver or gold. Bronze leaving. Questions of leaving empty-handed. Trying to take the Kyrgyzstani down, but she runs out of time. 6-6 showing. And the parity between the two. Certainly there's a challenge, but it was tossed into the ring without much in the way of hope, a shrug. judges' bench. Not sure they're sure what the challenge is about. I don't think it's quite a Donald Trump challenge of validity of the result, but I guess maybe just wanted to see how the cube might bounce on the blue mat. Well, we've seen a red card in the Greco-Roman for a Serbian coach. He's still stuck around, so seems to be for show, but a yellow card for an unnecessary challenge, an incomprehensible challenge. What is known as Meryem Zumana Zarova of Kyrgyzstan manages to confirm her place in the gold medal match. Alina Rasina of Ukraine left as appointed. Zumana Zarova will be back tomorrow night for a golden opportunity.